my neighbor has borrowed $500 from me, and he won't pay it back. And I don't know if I need an attorney to get it back, if that's a big enough case. Give us some parameters to think about in our opening statement on relatively minor things. What's your advice on when you need an attorney?
Well, in your situation, I would say you shouldn't have loaned him the $500.
Should have known better in the first place.
Exactly. Well, look, you don't need a lawyer for everything. And under $6,000, there is a court called Small Claims. It's on the 6th floor down at the courthouse. No lawyers are involved in that. You go fill out some papers. They subpoena the other person. The judge hears it, much like you see on TV. Judge Judy or one of the judges. Okay? If it's over $6,000, the exact same judge hears the case, non-jury, just like small claims, except you're in district court. So that one, up to $10,000. So if you've got a claim that's under $10,000, there's a good argument that you don't really need a lawyer.
Not only do you not have a lawyer if you choose to go that route, you don't have a jury either, right?
No, you give up the right to a jury trial.
It's
but
always the judge.
You do have the right to appeal to a circuit court, and you start all over.
So if you went and you weren't satisfied and couldn't get satisfaction in the court, you can go the regular route, get an attorney, and go to court.
You could, and get a jury up in circuit court.
What in small claims court, what if they subpoena my neighbor who owes me the money and he doesn't show up?
Well, he defaults, like a football
And he
team.
could be arrested?
Well, not arrested for a civil debt.
But he'd be at fault.
He'd be at fault. You could get a judgment. You could go record the judgment. You know, and it's like a mortgage. It's on any property he owns. It's a lien for 10 years. You can renew it for 10 more. You could garnish his wages. There are a lot of bad things can happen when somebody files a judgment against you.